What's up, YouTube family? How we doing? How we doing this morning? I feel like Chicken Little this morning. I don't know if y'all ever seen that. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. Everything is going crazy on these charts. Everything's heading down right now. It's a bloodbath. The volatility index is up, also known as the fear index, and we see its effects. Things are dropping. Looking at these charts earlier before I got on the stream, and we just kind of went right through a couple of these points of interest, although they did provide some support and some decent scalps. But all in all, the market just wanted to head down lower. Give me one moment. I got to answer this phone. My wife is calling. When the lady boss calls, you gotta answer. What's up, Rashid? What's up, my brother? Man, so back to what I was saying. There's a lot of blood on the streets. Looking at silver, been looking at Qualcomm. I would have thought that Qualcomm would have had a little pump after the announcement of electric and autonomous cars. Even JetBlue is going stupid low right now because even after they just announced, even after they just announced that they're trying to purchase Spirit, do a merger with Spirit Airlines, and they want to be the #1 low fare airlines in the US, which would put them on the map as that they acquired Spirit, but apparently the regulators don't like that too much. Let's get Bitcoin closer to NAS. Just some other stocks I was taking a look at. I got some silver. That's why I was looking at silver. But let's get to the nitty gritty on this NAS, man. Let's do some top-down analysis. Let's get down to it. We are headed lower, and we already have some levels here. This one hasn't quite went off yet. This is our, did I not name that? We could get rid of those levels. There we go. And it's group 0. We're just gonna go ahead and get rid of this alert. Keep that group enabled. Okay. All right, looking on a daily here. What's the likelihood of us coming way down here? Yeah, that's over 8%. So we're not even gonna worry about doing anything down there right now. We still got our levels above. These are bigger time frames, more intraday looking, more intraday type trades. But let's get down to some of the local stuff. No adjustments needed on daily trends. 4 hour here. Look at this. Our 4 hour trend there is still intact. It's good to go. This trend right here needs to be adjusted. Let's get over here to this hard close. This hard close. And this one has a hard close as a distribution. So that is the current trend here for the 4 hour. Let's go ahead and get rid of this 15-minute here. Okay. Let's look at this up here. And on the 4 hour, we've just been dropping. With this right here being 9 o'clock yesterday, is the only area that we had an accumulation candle on the 4 hour. Let's go to mark that here. This would be classified as a 4 hour fair value gap. Let's see here. Directly below us, we got all our areas, all our levels here to be looking at. Ultimately, I'm looking for down. I'm looking for shorts, honestly. With the way things are going, I just don't see it being a big pump. We might get some level of pumpage here, but I don't think we're gonna get put in any a reversal today at all. So we got a nice little hourly here. This was our 4 hour here. Clear as day. I do have one up here. It's kind of high up there. I'd be more interested in this 15 and 5. Let's look at the volume here. Hey. Let's go over in the 15. Nothing up here significant. Do this real quick. Let's put it on standard. 382 on this hourly. How's everybody's trading been going lately? Hopefully well. It's been some crazy movement in the markets. Crypto hasn't been doing too much as far as the kind of volatility we're seeing on NAS, but it's definitely still dropping right now. Hope your trade is going good. Hope you guys are profitable, making money. Got a level here on the 1 hour. I like to highlight this whole entire area right here. It's like the pre-market volume wasn't too far off from the session volume yesterday. Sit there. 15 here. We're gonna mark this 15. Let's look a little deeper into this volume here. So yesterday, here. Can't really trust aftermarket hours. Control up here. Let me pull that back. Let me look at those value areas. Value area low right here on trend. Value area high. Up here, grab some of that liquidity perhaps. Maybe. It's still a pretty big move up. Yeah, that's almost 2% of a move. Need to look at something a little more immediate. Something perhaps here. So this 5 is inside of this 15. Man, I hate aftermarket price action. I really do. It's like these little hidden ones here. Give us little golden opportunities. I don't like that one there. What's up, my brother Chris? Appreciate it, man. I do. I appreciate it. Market's looking ugly in it. The markets are looking ugly. I don't like that. Get rid of this 15. Let's find here. So below, we already have our levels. Just trying to mark out these levels in the above us for the more local or micro. We have some nice levels already up here. And remind you about the reminder. All right, bro. You can't do it right now, though. I'm definitely going to forget by the end of today. Definitely. My brother. Let's see. We pulled this already before. We had the 302 right here on this hourly. Yeah. So this entire area right here. This area right here is where I'll definitely be looking at for but we got so much action. I hate this kind of price action. I really do. I really, really do. Let's pull some nah, market looks exactly like like they should look. And yeah. I guess that's one way to look at it. So we got 786 and 886 right here. 886 falls directly on that hourly. We are overextended for days. Yeah, on NAS for sure. On NAS for sure. But I'm looking at the market as a whole. Even companies that have decent news are still dropping. Qualcomm announced that they had plans to start making EVs with full autonomy. JetBlue announced that they're trying to do a merger with Spirit Airlines. They offered like $6 billion or something like that. I think that they're getting their PP slapped by the government though. Silver's dropping. So yeah. Bitcoin's looking decent. Bitcoin's about the only decent looking one out of all of them. But look at NAS. That's just ugly, man. Pure ugliness. So I can't forget that we have 886 right here. Golden pocket right here above this high. So that's absolutely an area that I do want to be looking at. Like that. Boom. Okay. Change this to my OB levels real quick. This is equilibrium. Yeah. Yeah. I think it has a lot to do with just people fear. People fear, man. They buy into the FUD, bro. So, really, I'm looking for shorts today. I'm not going to try to go counter trend, especially not with this much fear in the market. I'm looking for trends. I mean, I'm looking for shorts. Really where I want it is in this area here. Yeah, facts, man. Facts. We're gonna make good trades today. At least that's the plan. Yeah, I'm looking in this area here for shorts. Although we have a nice amount of imbalances in here. Let's just pull a quick on here. Just go from here to here. Yeah. See all that imbalance right there? Basically single prints. We'll take a better look at the live data on Tradeovate. Yeah, there's a lot of imbalance here. Not sure if we'll be able to push up there today with all this fear in the market to fill in that imbalance. And then taking this level here would be nice. But I'm not sure we can make it up there today. I guess we'll just have to see. But in the meantime, this is the area that we're looking at for shorts. We're looking at long scalps down here. But if we do take a long, we're going to probably be in and out. Yeah, probably be in and out for shorts. I meant for longs. So, I don't know, this song with the words is messing me up right now. 200 in micro. Oh, hell yeah, man. Good shit, Rashid. Oh, man, what platform are you trading on? It's a cool song, man, but the words are messing with me. It's like I can't talk at the same time somebody else is talking. So that's pretty much it for the pre-market analysis. There's not too much going on that we can mark up on the charts. We already have levels below and above. We have the mid here with the mid from the overall move down from yesterday. And we have our 886 on the micro swing, swing high to swing low. And I think we're good. Fuck yeah, man. I love to hear it, man. Love to hear it. Post those gains inside Discord, bro. Let's get some gains inside of that. Look in the flex zone. We don't have a lot. We got some. We got quite a bit in there, but for whatever reason, most people post their gains inside a general chat. Chris, wink, wink. He never puts it into the flex zone. Always puts it in general. Anyways, man, we got free time. What do you guys want to look at? Let's see. Got a gang of levels up here. Obviously, it's on a daily, so you see all of them. I want to do some chart cleanup since we got some free time. How's that? It's our 15-hour. Let's see what silver's doing pre-market. Okay. So silver pre-market is actually going up. Okay. Posting my trades so others can learn from my entries. Yeah, I know you're not flexing, but we need you to flex. Just a little bit, man. Either way, it's motivation. Man, stop giving me a hard time and post this shit in the flex zone. Okay? Let's get all these levels here and put those in a group here. Five. Those. Oh, that's bothering me that I didn't put levels here. These are the levels working off today. I won't need to group those unless they carry over until tomorrow. I'm thinking we do a push up this morning. Yeah, I'm thinking we do a push up this morning and get into this zone, hopefully. I'm definitely looking at these areas here. It's equilibrium here. Fuck yeah, man. I love the team. I love the team doing big things, man. Always. Feels good. I'm more interested in this 5 minute here than this 5 minute. Get down to this 3 real quick. See if there's something else in here hidden. Like this 3. That's a 5. That's a 3. It's been tapped. That's been tapped. So this 5 and 3 is good. This 5. This 3. 3 right here. I should have left the 5 on there as well. Yeah, we'll put those levels on there. Let me see. No. Right. Okay, so I'll leave this 5 here. I don't really like this 5 here as much. I like this 5. We'll monitor that. If we hit this 5, it's more than likely to come up and hit this one. So yeah, there's a lot of chop here, man, that we got to pay attention to. So I don't want to just have a million levels here. I'm definitely going to monitor every last one of them when we approach it. Market's about to open in 7 minutes. Let's get over here and look at some imbalances. Okay. What was that imbalance area we were looking at earlier on the chart? Oh, right here. Let's get back over here on the hourly. That was at 0.3. No. That's not the one. Here. We'll look at this one first, actually. 0.3. 0.300 hours. Let's come over here. Adjust this to the hourly. There we go. Yep. Pretty much. 779. It's 815. TPO. 779. 14779. Won't even let me change time period. I'm not seeing any single prints here at the 779 area. I definitely see the imbalances here. And we got this huge ass imbalance right here. the 987 to 1550. 987 to 1550. Here we go. There's single prints here. 987, 1550. Single prints. Imbalances. I'm not quite sure that we're gonna make it up there though. Maybe this in the immediate one, the closer one. That happened at 0300 hours, but we'll have to monitor. Look at these imbalances here. That's that 5-minute low we marked out here. It's here. A little bit of imbalances right here before we hit this 5. Market opens in 4 minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, market is about to open. Good luck to everybody out there if you're trading today. Also, don't copy trade me because you will get wrecked. 100%. Also, if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up, that would be greatly appreciated. Greatly, greatly appreciated. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to be a part of our trading community, our family, the Discord link is in the description. Just a bunch of like-minded people trying to combine our brain power to make better, smarter moves. If that sounds like something you're interested in, the link is in the description. We will welcome you with open arms and a bunch of memes. For sure. I kind of want to see a push up into here. Close those imbalances. But this PA is trash, man. I do not like this price action whatsoever. I can't get a clear read on it. I know what I would like. I would like to see it push all the way up in here to kill this imbalance here as well as this one. I'm not sure if that's even going to happen. Market is looking like trash right now, so make sure. Oh, there we go. Silver's pumping. Silver hit that that weekly trend and it's pumping up. Not sure if you guys have any interest in silver. Have some options there. Pre-market, we're gapping down on Qualcomm. JetBlue's humongous gap down. 4.5%. Bitcoin is looking sexy. Man, I haven't been on here in some time. This trend needs to be adjusted to here. This 4 hour still intact. And daily point of interest is still good there. This 4 hour OB down here is still good. Although I would like to see the 39 range. Is market open yet? Not quite. Oh, look at that. Right inside that golden pocket. All right. Let's get on my right. Market is open. Watching for a push up into here. We might just barely swing these highs and start dropping them. And I would like to see it come up here. But then again, Keep in mind, this is market open, so a lot of volume gets flooded into the market. So taking trades early on is risky in my opinion. Took a nice little gamble yesterday though. So we're pushing up, like we said. Took those highs. I might take this level here. Shall we push up there as a short scalp? Taking these highs here. Watch this on a 2-minute. That 2-minute level's the same, I think. 660. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much the same. I want to take this level, but it might swing. It might go deeper. So if this is ultimately where we're going to fail from, I want to see it wick up, take that liquidity, and then close below this candle body. We didn't even make it all the way up there. Do we even close those imbalances? No, we stopped right at that imbalance. Yeah. Wow. Wow. That's a 1-minute level. I would have never taken that. Well, that sucks. I could take this level here for a long. Oh, that's some vibes right there, man. Nice and mellow. Good shit, Sammy. I appreciate it. If you guys are enjoying the playlist, man, hit that thumbs up. These beats have been curated by none other than DJ Picka Sammy. So we actually didn't push up as high as I thought we would, or as high as I would like to have. I definitely wouldn't have shorted here at a stop before the imbalances. So we just must remain patient and look for some opportunities here. It's a long ass wick. Wow. The market isn't wasting any time, huh? It's just gonna go right in with fucking falling down even further, huh? What's the name of this damn song? Late Night Hike. Sound like a late night drive. Yeah. I like it. pushing down. See if we take that liquidity down there and ultimately move up. Taking these bottoms here are risky business. There's a 1 minute level here that we just blew past. Let's see, what does that look like on the 5? Okay. Okay. Tap these lows here, flush down. I think we're gonna continue though. I think so. Sucks we couldn't get in a short up here. Didn't push up deep enough for us, man. If you just so happen to be in a short from here, congratulations. Because I don't think we're gonna retrace back up, man. Not with the way the markets are looking. Look at that. Market's open and silver is pushing. Nice. Qualcomm is pushing down. JetBlue is still going down. BTC is going down. But let me put it on a lower time frame here. Yeah. Long ass wick. Okay. Let's get back to the NAS. That might have been an entry opportunity here, but still only 7 minutes in, so I don't know if I want to risk it for the biscuit. Oh. Let's get back over here. Let's see what I'm talking about here. Let's take a look at the VIX real quick, guys. VIX. Volatility, we'll look at it on SIBO. Okay. We'll look here on the hourly, and it's rising. Pre-market, it's all the way up to 23. It's pre-market. Yeah, 9.5% from where we're currently at. So we could look at it here. Let's see if here we go. That's currently where we're at. VIX is pumping, everything else is dumping. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here looking for some shorts. If we could get into some. If this is your first time on the stream, welcome. Also, we try to practice patience. Sometimes I go YOLO, not really. But I do try to practice patience. Don't want to just rush into market exposure. For the most part, that's the rules. So if you're bored, I apologize. You could come back later and watch it after the stream. I'll have chapters in there on where I took the trades at. This right here looked like it was the best opportunity on the super micro to short, which was a 3-minute level right here. Could have shorted there. It's a little risky, but definitely could have. Right here, we need that ludicrous song. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low can you go? Oh! I don't know if y'all know that song. I might just be tripping this morning. I'm a little hyped up on some ghost juice. A little energy. This is kind of dreamy. Giving this 22.93. Still dropping. Looks like these 3 minutes are being respected. Three minute drop. How low can you go? 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 Hey, hey. I think y'all hope I can learn something. And hopefully you can too. Is that Peepa? Pie Paws? I don't know how to say your name, bro. I'm just gonna call you P. Yeah. Hopefully you can as well, man. I'll be honored if I could contribute anything towards your trading journey. Also, if you want to learn from or be a part of the group, man, feel free to join us. Discord link is in the description. We're not trying to sell anything. We just trade, help each other out. Tons of resources, books, free books, cheat sheets and whatnot. We are approaching our area of interest here. This is our 1 hour here. Slide this in a little bit. There's an area up there that we're looking at. Let's look here real quick. Just take it from major swing low, swing high. P is fine. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Equilibrium's way down there. Let's take it from this impulse move. I like this. I like this beat. Kind of funky. It's a big impulse here. Let's pull that on the daily. See if there's a clear swing on the daily. Yeah, it's definitely down there on the daily. Okay, we're pushing into this order block here. I don't know if y'all seen that. There's something flying around in the studio this morning, man. So I just want to give you a fair warning. If you start seeing me wigging out, taking my shirt off and stuff, because that damn bug flew on me. CBD is still looking bearish. Got tons of imbalances up here. Dun, dun, dun. Right cap there, nothing there. Anything on the 5 minute here? No. 3 minutes actually was looking like what's being respected today. I mean, perfect touches too, and continue to reject. Make it back on the VIX real quick. I want to check something. I'm gonna look at it on TVC so that we have live data already. SIBO hasn't opened yet. Yeah, look at that. As long as you see this pumping, moving up, we'll more than likely see stocks falling. I think that 15 is equilibrium. We're right at it anyways. Yeah, dead on it. See if we can find a greedier level below this 15 inside of this OB here. More like point of interest. What did I mark this on? Something's going on here on the chart. I don't know what the hell is this. What is this selection here? That doesn't make sense. Is it on the 4 hour? It must have been the 4 hour, man. No. Something's weird here, man. Oh, let's go to the 15. I labeled it as a 1 hour. So why is it not on the 1 hour? Let's get in here. I like that better. That's just weird though. It's just weird. And that 5 minute is below that 15. That 5 minute looked like it's equilibrium. What do you think about fib? I use fib a lot. I don't trade off of fib. I use fib for like confirmations and whatnot. So like for instance, let's get over here real quick. Let's get over here to the price action here. So for instance, I have some levels up here inside this point of interest on the hourly that we were looking at. So what I'll typically do, and this is before market open and we started falling, typically what you'll see us do or see me do is I'll pull it like this and you'll see here. These are OB levels. They're slightly different than standard. So 0.5 being equilibrium between the levels that we pulled. And I just got these labeled as deeper discounts, basically. So obviously the greedier you go, the more the likelihood of you getting missed is higher. However, the risk involved with that is a lot less. So I like taking the greedier levels most of the time so that we can have a tighter stop. But I do use fibs, not necessarily for entries, but like for confirmations and levels. I do know that Fibonacci levels do get some respect in the markets. I used to rely heavily on Fibonacci, but not so much anymore. I'm more market structure and order flow. But if you stick around a while, you'll see me pull fibs quite often, especially even inside of order blocks. So like this order block right here, I would pull the fib here because at 5, it looks like it might be right at equilibrium. See that? At 5 minutes at equilibrium. But I'm sure we could find a greedier level. Let's get down to the 15 real quick and get back over here, which is what I was gonna do. Let's see. Let's get here. If I answered your question, man. Sorry if I just confused you even more. But that's how I feel about Fibonacci. At least that's the best way I could explain it right now. So we have even a 2-minute level here. See, I like marking our levels like this here. I'll mark this as a 1 minute, even though it's not a 1. Chances are it is the 1. So here we go. Actually, we're bouncing right now from that 15. The touch of that OB. I'm personally not too thrilled with taking longs today, simply because the markets are falling right now. If I do take longs, it'll be short scalps. Let's get back over here. Let's see what we got going on here. We're moving up on neutral volume. CVD is showing pretty much equal shorts and longs coming in the market, same currently on this particular candle. So price is currently rendered below value area low. Although this value area isn't quite established yet. We've only been open for 23 minutes. If we come back up here to this 3-minute level and point of control, I might take a short here. The only thing that scares me about this particular one is I would have to put my stop loss above that candle. However, we do have some imbalances in here. If you could look here, some imbalances here. And like I said, the market does not like imbalances. Although as small as this imbalance may be, the market definitely is an efficient, well-oiled machine, and all imbalances will be filled. When is the question? Same reason why if you ever traded or even paid attention, those gaps on stocks tend to get filled. Qualcomm's still dropping low. JetBlue's still going low, but silver's going up. I like it. Oh shit, Bitcoin is dropping like crazy right now too. Okay. Let's keep this on the 5. Back over here. Is there a 5-minute level here? No. I do have this 3 minutes still here at point of control. It's currently point of control. This may change. There's a lot of volume coming in down here at the bottom. So we might see our value area change, widen, or at least drop lower. If we push up, I think I might take a position here at point of control. If we push up from here. Now if price pushes up a little bit and just meanders below here, I probably won't take that. But if we see a strong push up, I'll take it. So I think we are going to drop more. It's just my opinion. Man, wife is gonna be mad. She likes these. She buys these. And I just recently discovered how great they taste and how well they work. I'm fucking amped up right now. I probably shouldn't open the second can and drink it, but fuck it. See what we're looking like on the 1 minute. Yeah. POC still looking good on the 1 minute. I would definitely like to see that push up from here. Not this meandering shit. Seven 450. 7,450. See what volume is looking like on this candle here. Yeah, a lot more shorts coming in. It's like even these small little imbalances on this wick. You see, notice how we pushed up and all this volume came in on that little imbalance. That's what I mean by imbalances getting filled. You see that there? Dead man walking. What do you mean, brother? Oh, you talking about because of the drinks? Maybe. If I'm not on stream tomorrow, I'll probably die from fucking heart attack on all these damn energy drinks, huh? It's definitely my second one. Look at this volume. Look at the CVD down here. That doesn't do much for us as far as any being price action, market structure, order flow based. RIP, I know what you mean. Yeah. Being market structure and volume based, you know, is my primary tools when I trade. This doesn't give us very clear indications on which direction the market wants to head. I'm not the drink, it's your white drink. Oh shit, yeah, you're right about that. I'll just go to the store and buy them before she even notices. I go to the store and buy them. I just gotta remember. I'll look in the trash can to see exactly which ones she purchased, if I could get the right ones. What I'm drinking right now is Sour Patch Red Berry. It's actually pretty damn good. I'm flashing these guys like I'm sponsored or something. Somebody reach out to them. See if they want to sponsor us. That'd be dope. There we go. There's some short volume coming in. said, definitely looks like it wants to go lower. That 0.5 looks like it's at equilibrium in here. I want more of a discounted rate. So I'm looking more down here in this area here if I'm going to take any long scalps, unless we see some, unless we see something at least on the 5-minute confirmation wise, kind of like we talked about yesterday. And take a little level like that maybe for a short, you know, a quick scalp. I gotta say saying short scalp. Which exactly what happened yesterday in both order blocks that we traded. Well, one we traded, the other one happened after hours, so I didn't trade it, but same thing happened. Ultimately, we continued down, but it did provide some nice scalps. So if you are trading today though, please be careful. Please be careful, especially if you're trying to go long. Approaching equilibrium with this order block here. Nah, I don't like this one. It's too repetitive for the gain. We got to remove that one. Okay, let's listen to this. Oh yeah, that's funky right there. Okay, we bounced perfectly on this 5-minute equilibrium. Quick scalp would have been cool there. Would have been a quick $100. But we're not trading like that today. Not today, mate. That 5 minutes holding up currently. We've been open long enough to establish a trend. Let's go here. Let's drop on the 15 real quick. See if we could get a micro trend popping off here. 10. It's a 15-minute trend here. See if something better exists on the 5. Get a little more detailed in here. Although we do like to start with the high time frames and work our way down. Is that right? That's the right pool. No, this one's valid. Yeah, this one's valid. Okay. Over to the 5-minute. Adjust this pool here to this. It's our current 15-minute trend down to a 5. Micro anyways. Let's look at the invalidation on this 1 minute. .18%. Not too bad. Yeah, P. I don't really go off of a single time frame. That 5 minutes still holding up, by the way. It doesn't matter. I use micro time frames when I'm placing my orders. You'll see it from 5 all the way down to 1. Because typically, let's click here real quick. So like here, it's especially right here in market start, there's not a whole lot to go off of on medium time frames. Like let's go to the 15. It just looks like that. But when you start going down, especially if you're scalping like I do, there's a lot more information to process on the lower time frames. So like key levels and stuff like that. Sometimes you could catch what is intended to be a scalp to be an intraday. But most of the times on the lower time frames, like the 1 minute and the 2 minute, those trades typically only last like a minute and a half. But sometimes they go lower, and obviously the lower time frames provide greedier levels, kind of what I was explaining before, as far as the greedy levels are concerned. I wish I had more time to explain to you. P, are you part of our Discord? Our Discord community? Need to add some juice to my e-cigarette here. Let's watch this over here. 5 minutes is still holding up right now. The 5 minute definitely would have provided a decent quick scalp. 100, 150 bucks. 169 to 180.
I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by.
Let's lower this volume down a little bit.
Pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile. It's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried.
Now we're down to that 3 minute level.
You was only 21 with a son on the run, no. You was living in the jungle. Got charged for a murder and some weed and a gun, no. You was moving like Rumbo. Did your time like a champ, never rumble. You was on the wrong path, you was young though. You ain't never let it break you, stay humble. We see the light at the end of the tunnel. I see the fire and the pain in my mama's eyes. I was just a little boy, I always wonder why. Cause you couldn't help raise me by her side. I
Found what was flying around in the studio.
but I know you wasn't capable of homicide.
It was a stink bug.
Just a real nigga, always down the ride. I thank God
From a Telegram group. Someone share your stream link. Hey,
for the fam, yeah, I
man, that's dope, dude.
dies. All the time that you did it only made you
It's pretty dope, man.
call 30 seconds, yeah, I love you. Learned a lot of life lessons from my uncles. This a letter to my pops up top, and it's still fuck cops. I don't eat pork chops, no. So we got the city on lock, it's going down, young Jot, yeah.
Yeah.
Then they put you on
Man, feel free to join us on Discord. We're not trying to sell anything.
you 25 to life, all these years
We just be hanging out,
and you never
making good trades, bouncing ideas off each other.
did was wait your time. Now
You should definitely hit the link in the description, man.
I'm about to have a child, it's gonna be worthwhile. It's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line. All these trials, tribulation. All these trials, situations. Trials we be facing, times we was waiting. Now we at the finish line. Now we at the finish line.
The point of control still looking decent. If we push up there, but now it's yeah, it's pretty high up from where we're at now. Likelihood of that happening right now is pretty slim. Let's get over here to the 5. Start with 930 here. Let's pull this fixed range here. 26. Yeah, definitely different on here. Rashid, appreciate it, man. Brother.
Like it was a movie, but it's real life and we gotta look ahead. Glad you alive, I don't gotta say you dead. Only the strong survive, it's the reason you here. Cheers to the next couple years.
This value every low trade might offer something. However, if we took that, the invalidation is so wide. I'd be more interested in this level here, slightly above the value area high, but ultimately right now I'm really eyeing this point of control. It's looking more and more like a juicier trade. Look at this, a 1 minute level point of control. Let's get to the 3 minute level point of control. Nothing on the 5 though. Although no matter how you look at it, there is an imbalance right here that's closed right here. Nice little fair value gap here as well between here and here. So this is the backside of that fair value gap. So that point of control is definitely looking nice. Shall we reach up there? I want to take that short. Yeah. Let's get rid of this. So we could have scalped at 5. We could have scalped at 3. Both would have offered decent quick scalps. Yeah, both would have offered decent quick scalps. But yeah, I didn't take any of them, obviously. On fib. Let's watch that 1 minute. 1 minute. How it holds up. 1 minute on 702. Yeah, P. If you want to know more about, if you want to get deeper into Fibonacci, you need to holler at my boy, my brother Crazy Chris in the Discord. He pulls Fibonacci on everything. That's what he says. He pulls Fibonacci on everything, man. He finds correlation on numbers that he's like fucking Dookie Howser with the numbers. Could have taken that 3 minute. What's that? 22 points. I've been about $400 on that scalp. Yeah, I'm definitely being cautious about trading counter trend this morning. Although I missed a couple opportunities up here to trade out these 3 minutes. I wasn't quick enough, didn't think about it. It's all hindsight. Discord link expired. Oh, okay. Let's fix that, man. Ah. That's why. Okay. I will fix that, man. Thanks for letting me know that. Here. There you go, brother. Might be some little imbalances here. Yeah. Slight imbalances there. I'm a little interested in this, but not as much as I am up here. This offers a better trade, better invalidation, although it's pretty wide up there. I would take it to this candle here. Might take this greedy level here though. Okay, we're at this 3-minute hold here. I'm not interested in this level because the stop is so wide. I want to push a little bit further. If I am going to take this level, I want to take the greediest point, which is the candle body. But I really want this point of control. Man, thanks for letting me know that the link was expired, actually. So that means the link in all the previous videos is definitely not usable. I need to go in there and edit that. See if our moderator can change that up. So yeah, we're looking good right here. The only problem I see right now is a divergence forming here on CVD. You see how we're making higher highs on CVD, but we haven't pushed above this high on price action. That's typically a sign of absorption, which means that there are some orders that are parked up here that is absorbing all this market volume coming in. Typically, that's what that means, but we're on a 3-minute time frame, so this CVD could play out for a while before we see anything. Go pushing a little higher. I might try to take this level here if we push here. Maybe. I want to see the volume coming in at that time. See what CVD looks like at that time. We're still at the same 3-minute hold here. So get it over here. Just an F15. Okay. Decent amount of market shorts here. Some market shorts with short volume coming up here. Not a significant amount, but they might try to defend that position. Right here, we'll close the gap on some imbalances. It should be more like right here. Gotta be patient here, man. So look here. Bitcoin's doing a little retracement itself. Down into that 4-hour here. Which also coincides with this little 1 hour here. Here we go. Pushing back up. Yeah, I would agree with you, Rashid. It's pretty risky right here. And I hope you're talking about on the short side, right? If you're going long, definitely be careful. But yeah, when price is meandering down here like this, kind of makes me feel like we're gonna push through. We're eating through. We're eating through these limit orders here. But it'll only last as long as one side has capital, right? Pushing into these limit orders and the price is just chilling out right there. There's not a whole lot of volume trying to push us through that. So it may reject here. But like I said, I didn't want to take this wick here. I didn't want to take this level. I wanted to push a little bit deeper so that my invalidation wasn't so wide. If I would have taken that level 35 to, yeah, that's 35 points, man. And when you're trading NAS, it's 20x leverage. So 35 times 20, that is $700. That's $700 of risk. And I just wasn't willing to do it. Now from here to here, 27, this level here, that provides a lot better risk tolerance there. It's virtually $5, $6, $120. Every dollar is worth $20. Every dollar move is a $20 move, plus or minus. Yeah, still trying to push up in there. I'm no longer interested in this level. Well, maybe, perhaps, actually. Nice little volume spike here. Nice little volume node there. Five, 7, 3. I'll run that a little bit. Just came back to the top of the OB again. This is that level we're looking at, which will be a nice little back test of that 15-minute downtrend that we're following, as well as filling in these gaps. 5-minute fair value gap we have here, filling in these imbalances. I mean, when I say gap, I mean this imbalance here. If we look on here, we can see the imbalance resides in this area. From here to here, some imbalances. Just some volume right here, though. 6.8, 6.8. What are you trading? What are you trading, P? You trading crypto? You're trading futures? Doing options? What are you trading exactly? But a 25K account is a very good amount to do any type. I'm partial to scalping because I'm more of a scalp trader myself, or intraday. I don't really get into the swings, but we do have some people in our group that does do that. They enjoy doing swing trades and stuff. I personally do primarily scalping, some intraday trading. But with 25K and just a little bit of leverage, you could do some serious damage, man. But I would say if you're new to trading, futures is very risky. Yeah. If you're new to trading, though, futures is very, very risky, man. Especially with that 20x leverage. Or at least trading NAS is very, very risky. Just make sure when you're trading, man, you understand your risk tolerance. What platforms are you trading on? P and Rashid, what platforms do you guys trade on? Yeah, P. Be careful with futures, man. Honestly, if you're new, I wouldn't even trade Ninja Trader. Okay. NQ or ES Micro, yeah. Now, if you're new, man, you're definitely in the right place by joining the Discord. We have tons of material in there, tons of people who've been where you're at, people that are still inside the newer trading phase, and you could definitely learn some things from our guys in the group as far as trading with market structure and better technicals. I would honestly start with maybe paper trading. I hate to say it, I hate to sound like that guy, but I honestly would start with paper trading. I wouldn't throw my 25K inside of account right now and try to and basically try to gamble it if you're new. I don't know how far along your journey you are and how much knowledge that you have right now, or if you even have a trading strategy, but just type it into the group, ask plenty of questions, look through the group, look at people's technical analysis, ask questions. Everybody will be more than happy to answer, man. That's what we do. Taking my order off the books. Coming back down. Please, man, ask plenty of questions inside the chat and in the general chat, man. We'll help out as much as we can. Order blocks, hold levels, trend, order flow, open interest, CVD. These are a lot of things that we use when we're trading. It's not necessarily a cheat code, but it definitely does give you a peek into what's happening behind the scenes on the market. Like when you see me over here and I'm looking at the CVD, the cumulative volume delta, and I take a look at TPO, time price opportunity, and I look at the imbalances. There's a lot of things that kind of help you make a more informed trade. It's not a cheat code because it's not a guaranteed win just by looking at some of these clues. but you would definitely makes you a lot better trader, a more informed trader if you learn how to use those tools properly. So I would recommend that you hang out in Discord, man, and ask questions, and go through some of the channels on the education tab, books, studies, cheat sheets, vocabulary, some of the strategies. We do have one channel in that's locked. It's locked to general right now. Only a few people have access to it. But once we finish putting everything together in the sauce, we'll start handing out access to it. But right now it's locked. But there's plenty of material in the other channels. There's a lot of volume coming in right here. Still not comfortable with taking a trade here. As of right now, no trades for me. We're basically just came right back flatline. We flushed with the previous lows almost. Being this low, we might see a swing below here to take the liquidity before we move up, but I'm just being cautious here. Sorry, it's a slow day, but it is what it is, man. Okay, touching these lows here. Flush these lows, might come below here. Let's watch this 1 minute. At 3 would have been a profitable trade on this 3 minute level here, but in my book, it was too risky. That has obviously changed. Point of control is no longer up there. Too much volume being transacted down here. In fact, we haven't even established the point of control right now. Looks like it might be dead on this volume low, volume area low, value area low. I'm sorry. Here. just 1 minute. Maybe swing these highs. Take this level here. Be right back. Okay. Nice amount of volume right here. Nice hold over here on the 1 minute. Check it out on 2. Don't exist on the 3. When it controls down here at the bottom now. This trade up here is still a nice trade to take. Shall we reach there? Right now, I'm going to look at trying to scalp this 1 minute here. Decent invalidation. Very cautious of longs here. This 3 minute is holding up quite a bit. Let's see. What is that again? What's that? Nice little 618 bounce. Careful if you're trading this right now, careful in this chop. This chop is specifically designed to wreck retail. That VIX is running wild. We'll take this trade here. If we get stopped out, no biggie. If we continue up, we still know our level that we want to take. Previous point of control that we had earlier, but it's a lot of volume right here. 5 minute level. 3 minute level. Right now, it's just chopping people up. Trap traders down here at the bottom. Well, not trapped yet. If we come down below this, every time we get down here, you see these longs stepping in. Longs here. Let's watch this move push. Let's push up real quick. Liquidity there, liquidity here. Resistance support. Bottom of this OB should hold us up for a little bit. Let's watch what happens here. We might get filled here. If we get filled, we gotta watch it. Might have just got filled. Nope. We're gonna get filled. Still think we might want to push up in here. Try to take that, take out some of these imbalances here. I don't want to rush into this trade, although I do have something preset here. Let's see what happens. I actually have my entry just below this little volume node here. I don't like it when price meanders here like that. I give it to this candle close to get filled. Otherwise, I just cancel my order and just watch when just watch price. It's also our 1 minute hold level. And then volume note. Minute 45 seconds left on this candle. If I don't get filled on this candle, I'm going to cancel. Okay. Still haven't been filled. There we go. Pushing up. Okay, we got filled. We're pushing up now with some volume. We're just monitoring now. We're in our position. Watching volume, watching CVD. We still got divergences here. Making higher price action on a 3. Lower price action, lower CVD. $23 seconds on this candle. If we keep meandering like this, I'll exit out. We got 10 seconds on this candle. I want to see it push down. We're currently up 50. I want to see some shorts coming through, which I'm not really seeing a lot. Okay, we're up 150. I'm gonna exit here at 180. We're at 195. We just took a scalp for 195 bucks. I don't like the way price is meandering up here, so I just went ahead and took profit. We'll wait until we push up more, if we push up more. But it looks like to me we're trying to eat through that, and I don't want to be a part of that battle. So we're at 195 right now. First trade of the day, and it's a very short trade. That was 1 minute and 26 seconds. Could have squeezed a little bit more, but like I said, I didn't want to be a part of that battle. I don't like to see price meandering there. And we're still just meandering there. So glad I took TP. Up almost 200 right now. And we're just going to monitor and wait. I would like to see us come back up and push up into here. This zone here. Still eyeing that level. We're still hanging tight right up here in this area, which I don't like. I think it keeps playing the same songs over and over. It's like an hour and 45 minutes worth of tracks, but it keeps going. What is this? Wax drip. Let's see what wax drip is. Now short volume is coming in. Barely though, just a little bit. It's actually looking like it's primed for another push up. Shorts lost their steam already, looks like. Let's see how many people step in here. Thank you, P. Thank you, thank you. We still got to be careful though, okay? It goes pushing down now. Yeah, as the scalper price is moving a little too slow for me right now. And this divergence is still growing. Greediest level here. 1 minute hold. This 3 minute would have been beautiful. Absolute last line of defense. It's a weird place. Little hidden 1 minute level there. Not going super aggressive right now, but that's your entry. That's right, Chris. Right now, Nas is not giving me anything clear to trade off of right now. Just kind of eating away inside of this order block here. You need a long trade. One second, guys. To push up more, otherwise we go 40K. Yes, I agree. Definitely not clear on micro, Rashid. Definitely not clear. Is this area right here what you're looking at, bro? Nas still wants to go. We call it Nasty Nas today. Coming back down to point of control. A lot of volume right here. Let's look at that volume right there on the point of control. A lot of long volume here. Long's building up right now, but some shorts are coming through as well. Despite the shorts coming through, price is still pushing up a little bit. Bounce right on point of control. Is that sustainable though? Nope. Look at those shorts coming through now. We're going to do longs. If we're going to do longs today, we got to keep them short. Until we get a clear break of structure. Right now, it's just looking way too bloody. Look at this. Looking way too bloody to be trying to go in with longs right now. Unless they're scalps. It's falling off, man. So Be careful if you're looking for longs, Rashid. I would anyways. If you're going to take a long, kind of be in and out. There's a lot of shorts right here. Just kind of stacked right here. Push right through it with almost no volume. So I guess those shorts already took profit down here. Yeah, that would be the safest way to go about it, Rashid. Let me look at this real quick. All-time low is $2.92. Perfect on this low here. I'll get back to NAS in just a moment, man. Sorry, guys. Taking a look at something here. It's weekly. Trying to look at it's weekly. Let's look at daily. So we are below the weekly trend. Big gap that we came down and filled perfectly right here. See? So in stocks, these are those type of imbalances that I was talking about, where these gaps tend to get filled. See how this line right here bounced perfectly to fill in that gap? Right here, bounce. Now we're back at that again, which it can provide the same kind of trade, but it's a clear visual of what I'm meaning. Bitcoin is bouncing right here, right now, and NAS is still just chilling, just marinating right here, man. I was looking at Lockheed Martin. If anybody in here is familiar with options trading, Lockheed Martin is actually, look at that, still doing great things, man. But it's kind of been trading like sideways. So I think an iron condor would be a good move here. Train sideways for 35 days. Bank of America. Looking like the rest of them. There we go. Looks like we're trying to push lower now. Let's look at the ES. NAS is basically following ES. Looks identical. Let's push up, drop down. Sideways action right now. I've never actually even looked at the Dow. Let's take a look at it. What the hell's going on here? MY. There we go. What the fuck, man? Why? Gotta find out what the contract is for Dow. Never even looked at Dow before, futures wise. There we go. We pushed to those bottoms here on NAS. See where we're heading. Here down to this 1 minute. YMM. coming down to that 1 minute hold. Bounce off of it. Okay. Bounce off that 1 minute earlier. Pretty clear, tight, and validation on that. I've been a nice scalp. Quick scalp. Again, we're not trying to take any intraday longs today. At least it's not the intention. All in all, this position we had up here would have been pretty decent if we kept holding it. But I don't like that chop. I don't like holding positions like that. I'm a scalper. Sammy, what's up, brother? Yeah, the 1 minute is holding up. Not with any real volume though. So each one of these levels held up. First was the 5 minute, nice bounce. 3 minute, nice bounce. Now we're on the 1 minute, getting a bounce here. Not sure if it's sustainable though. Not a lot of long volume coming in right now. CVD showing neutral. We got some volume coming in here. Just on the imbalances, but nothing significant. So yeah, each one of these levels offered nice scalps for longs. I didn't take a single one of them. Yeah, man, the power of hold levels, man, they're beautiful if you mark them right. You could say that the 5 minute held up, but really it was the 3 minute that held it up. Two nice bounces out the 3. Came down to this 1, got a decent bounce. Oh, 400 in profit if you would have taken that and exited already. See. How's the stream coming through? I'm not seeing any drop frames, but it's lagging over here on the screen that I have streaming over here. It's 11 o'clock. Actually 11:15. And we've only taken one trade, up 195 on the day. Just playing it cautious today. Point of control is currently acting like some sort of resistance right now. Pushing back down. If we were in that 1 minute scalp, we would have had to have exited already. That was a risky trade altogether, but it did offer a nice bounce. If you took that, congratulations. I didn't take it. I am chill today, man. Trying to be patient, waiting for these trades to come to me. It's like Bitcoin wants to fall through. One minute still pushing up. Back at point of control. Get over here on the 1 minute. See what we have up here. If you look at NAS and you see the bottom of this order block, this has been some nice support and resistance here. There's resistance, 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 support all over here on the bottom of this order block. So I do expect it to hold up a little bit. Right here, this was a bounce off of it as well. So support, support. So we flipped from resistance to support, and now we're back on there. So I do expect it to hold up somewhat. I don't know if it's going to hold long term and put in a reversal here, but we are at some decent support nonetheless. Back down at that 1 minute level. If I haven't gotten in another position here in the next 10 minutes, I'll probably cut the stream and continue to trade, but just recording, so that we just don't have a long stream for no reason. As of right now, it still looks like the market wants to go down, but yeah. Even if I end the stream, I'm gonna continue the trade, but I'll just record and re-upload if I take any more trades for the day. But all in all, I'm being more cautious than anything. Hey. Every time I hear this beat, it's so funky, man. If you guys are trading out there, make sure you are practicing good risk management. These markets are looking ugly right now. Be careful, especially if you're going long. Very careful. Got 1 minute, still kind of holding up right now. Came back up and rejected off of this greedy 5 minute level here. So right now we're between that greedy 5 and the 1 minute. Greedy 5 just so happens to be on point of control. Actually a little bit above point of control, but There we go. Pushing up off that 1 minute. Pushing up pretty aggressively right now. Looking at a swing of these highs, potentially. Taking a level here. Yeah, pushing up quite aggressively. Push above these highs, boom. We're in there. Greedy 3. We took and hit that greedy 3, and that's where it's rejecting from right now. I wanted to get into that position, seeing how it was going to swing these highs on the micro time frame. Swing these highs, come up here and take this level up in here somewhere. But I missed the opportunity. I was thinking too much. Which was also a greedy 5. Sorry, man. Excuse me. So, yeah, I'll probably go ahead and cut the stream now. Sorry, guys. Only took one trade today, up 195, but I will continue to trade and record offline. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'll update that Discord link in the description. So by the time you're watching this, oh, you won the trade. Yeah, man. Did you go along on that 1 minute, Rashid? Fuck yeah, bro. Or did you take the short right here at that greedy 5? Yeah. Were you short? Anyways, all right, guys, I don't know how much a delay there is. I was just talking to Rashid, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, guys. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I will definitely update that Discord link in all the descriptions. Oh, you took a buy. Okay, probably at that 1 minute level, at the retest of the 1 minute level. That would have been a nice one, man. It'd be up juicy amount, man. 146 to 500 basically. Yeah, man, nice. Good shit, bro. Good shit. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the Discord chat. I'll still be hanging out there and recording. So you guys have a good one. See you tomorrow. Yeah, see you tomorrow bright and early. Catch you guys later. Peace out.